3, 2, 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Right. Good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number 35. Today we got two kind of short problems. Should be fun. Where's the book? It's here. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here's the first problem. The 30th day of a month was a Sunday. What day of the week was the 5th day of the month? You understand the problem?
Yep.
How do you think you want to approach it?
Well, we know the 23rd day is gonna be a Sunday.
How do you know?
Because 7 days in a.
Come on, forward. They don't block the camera. Okay, there's 7 days in a week, so if the 30th day is a Sunday, 30 minus 7 is?
23.
Alright, so why don't you write that down? 23rd is Sunday. Write it over here. Write it over here. Well, mosquito flying around. 23rd, okay, what's the next Sunday? Not the next one, the one before that, I guess, I mean.
It's just 23 minus 7.
What's
16.
That?
And then 9.
Okay.
And then second. Yeah, second is. I'm just gonna write the 30.
Okay. Good.
You know, the second is Sunday. That means the 3rd.
So you might be out of the camera. The 4th is Tuesday and the 5th is?
The 5th is gonna.
Wednesday.
I'm just gonna write that up here.
Okay, that's fine. So the 5th is Wednesday. Very good. Now let me show you something pretty neat about 30, 23, 16, 9, and 2.
I know they're all multiples of 1.
They are all multiples of 1. High five. Good job. Okay. What do you get when you divide them all by 7? What do you get when you divide 2 by 7?
You can't divide 2 by 7.
Right, you can't. So what do you get?
What do you get when you divide 2 by 7? You get.
What's the remainder?
The remainder is going to be 5.
Remainder when you divide 2 by 7 is 5?
No. What is the remainder?
What is the remainder when you divide 2 by 7? The remainder is?
Not 1. No, the remainder. What is the remainder?
What do you mean, what is the remainder? That's the question. When you divide 2 by 7, what's the remainder? How many times does 7 go into 2?
0 times.
0 times with a remainder
of 2.
With a remainder of 2. Right. What do you get when you divide 9 by 7?
Are you going to get all remainders of 2?
What do you get when you divide 9 by 7?
You get 1 with a remainder of 2.
1 with remainder 2. How about 16 by 7?
16 you're going to get 3 with a remainder. No. You're going to get 2 with a remainder of 2.
2 with a remainder 2. What about 23 when you divide by 7?
You're going to get it 3 with a remainder of 2, and then
How about 30 divided by 7?
4 with a remainder of 2.
So all those things have remainder 2 when you divide by 7.
Interesting.
Interesting. Okay. Very good. So we got a Wednesday. Alright, you ready for the next problem?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, here's the second problem. The two-digit number x equals AB, where A and B are the digits.
Yeah.
Okay. The two-digit number y equals BA. So it's the same number, but just the digits are flipped.
Yeah.
So if x was equal to 81, what would y equal?
18.
18. Very good. And if x was equal to 37, what would y equal?
73.
73. Okay, great. X minus y is 27. What are A and B?
A and B.
Yeah, the digits. And A is a single digit number, B is a single digit number.
Yeah.
Yeah, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's look at the two numbers backwards and forwards. When you subtract them, you get 27.
Well, that's what we got to find. So we got to figure out if there's a good way to do that or not. Okay. Do you have any ideas?
Not really.
Not really?
We know that x minus y is 27.
Yeah.
We know x equals some number, and y equals some
Here, give me your
number.
marker. You're scratching all over the wall. Okay. So what does x equal?
X equals AB.
X equals AB. What does that mean when you write a number? Like, let's say like x was equal to 34. What does that mean?
Means
What would A be?
it would be 30.
A would be 3.
3. And
3.
B would be 4.
B would be 4. So how do you get 34? What does 34 mean when A is 3 and B is 4?
You make it.
It means A equals 3 times 10 plus 4. Okay?
Yep.
So when x equals AB, means x equals 10A plus what?
Plus B.
Plus B. When y equals BA,
10 times B
10 times B
plus A.
plus A. Okay. So what is x minus y?
It's 9A and 9A
9A.
and 9B.
What do you mean 9A and 9B? What does that mean?
9A plus 9B.
It's 9A plus 9B?
It says 27.
Are you sure that's right?
We can't. Well, 10A minus
10A minus A is what?
is 9A.
Okay.
And 10B minus B. No, it's B minus 10B.
It's B minus 10B.
So it's 9A minus 9B.
9A minus 9B. Okay. And this equals 27. Okay.
Yep.
Alright, so what can we say next, do you think?
We can divide that by 9. A minus B is 3.
A minus B equals 3. Okay. That's interesting. There are lots of numbers, A and B, such as A minus B equals 3. Do we know anything special about A and B, first off?
Do we know anything? Well, we're trying to figure out what are A and B.
We know they're two-digit numbers, so we know that A has to be between 1 and 9, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise it would be a single-digit number. And then this is a two-digit number as well, so that means B has to be between 1 and 9.
And so does the two last ones.
So let's check. So what are some numbers so that I could pick for A and B so that A minus B equals 3?
Well, A could be 9 and B could be 6.
Okay, so let's check.
Actually,
So for one number would
I just
be
figured out that works.
One would be 96 minus 69. What does that equal?
Well, it's 30 and minus 3. That is actually is 27.
Okay, that's 27. Is there something else we could have picked for A? What else could we have picked for A?
You could have just flipped. Or none. You can.
Well, remember, we have to have A minus B equals 3. So what you picked A was 9. Could we have picked A to be something else?
4 and 1.
Okay.
Eight,
Do you want to skip from 9 down to 4?
No. How about 8? How about 8?
80.
80.
What's B? If A is 8, what's B?
What is B? Well, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3.
So what is our number AB?
It is 85 and then 53.
53?
No, 58.
A little tired tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my leg hurts.
85 minus what?
Minus 58.
Yeah, let's see what that equals.
Well, it's 30. And 5 minus 8 is 3. That also is 27.
Well, that's interesting. What else? What should we check next?
70. 70. What are you showing the line for?
70 what?
70,
What's the other? What's the next number?
70 what?
How do you figure it out? Do we have a relation between the first two?
Yes,
Between
A
A and
minus
B?
B is 3, so
Okay.
7 has to equal 74.
74 minus
47.
47. What's that equal to?
That's 30 minus. It's also equal to 27.
That's interesting. So there are actually lots of choices. So we could check all the way down. What's the lowest number A could be? Because remember, we said B can't be 0.
A, could A be 0?
No, A can't be 0.
No.
The lowest, what's the lowest number A can be? We can check 74, the next one would be 63.
I think it would have to be 3 and 1.
3 and 1?
No. Well, no. 31 minus 13, no. What is the lowest? A can't be 1.
A can't be 1.
A can't be... A can be 20... A can't be 2, because it's lower than 21. A can't be 3.
Why can't A be 3?
Because if A is 3, I checked it doesn't work.
Well, if A is 3, what does B have to be?
Well, then B has to be 0.
So B has to be 0. Okay.
Can't do that. And so it has to be 4 and 1.
41. 41 minus 14, what does that equal?
27.
27. Very good. Okay. So here I gave you a problem that actually had lots and lots of answers. The problem on your homework for tomorrow
Only has one answer?
only has one answer. But I gave you a problem that had lots and lots of answers. But do you see how when they tell you something equals AB, that means it's 10A plus B?
Yep.
You understand that?
Yeah.
You understand the 10B plus A part?
Yep.
You understand when you subtract them, you get 9A minus 9B?
Yep.
Okay. Good job. Now you're tired, honey. Good job. Okay. I should run and get your PJs on.